Today I'll be focusing on a lesson titled Turn Down the Dial on Cyberbullying, targeted towards students in grades 9 through 12. It focuses on the digital citizenship element of digital etiquette in that it mainly looks at factors of online cruelty and cyberbullying. This lesson's learning objectives aim to enable students to reflect on the factors that intensify online cruelty and cyberbullying, identify what targets and upstanders, vocabulary terms that we'll examine later, can do when online cruelty occurs, and recognize their own role in escalating or de-escalating online cruelty. These concepts are important for teachers to cover for several reasons, but namely to keep students safe while they navigate and participate in various forms of online media. As you can see here, in this lesson, students interact with various sources that demonstrate the fact that cruelty can escalate quickly online because people are often anonymous and information spreads quickly. They will also become familiar with key vocabulary related to cyberbullying, including target, offender, bystander, upstander, de-escalate, and escalate. Students begin the lesson by watching a video titled Ricardo's Story, Making Fun of Others Online. This video gives the account of a 17-year-old student who talks about how he and his peers might make fun of others online and the effects of doing so. After watching this video, students identify the situational factors they observed that contribute to online cruelty. After watching Ricardo's story, students then watch Stacy's story, When Rumors Escalate, which is an account of a 15-year-old who experienced cyberbullying herself and threats after making a comment on a photo on social media. After watching the video, students identify the roles of the individuals in the video using the vocabulary related to cyberbullying and describe those identified as upstanders, which we see defined here as a person who supports and stands up for someone else. What upstanders can do to lessen the effects of online cruelty. In the course of this lesson, both of these videos serve as the hook element, as they are engaging and relevant to students. This is because students might have witnessed or experienced themselves similar situations to the ones described in the video. The last activities that students complete are both a crossword puzzle that you see here, which serves to further familiarize students with the lesson vocabulary, and also a reading of a scenario of cyberbullying. After they read the scenario of the cyberbullying, students go on to answer a few reflection questions that have them consider some of the factors in the scenario and how they might have handled it if they would have been in the position of the individual described. This lesson also includes a tip sheet handout on cyberbullying for students to share with their families that includes action that parents could potentially take in addressing and broaching the issue with their son or daughter.